Hey everyone, hi, hello, hi. This is Teacher Shane. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. Yeah. Are you ready to have some fun? Yeah, I'm ready to have some fun because I am going to teach you guys some new vocabulary words from the story we read. Yeah, the sheep who hatched an egg. Yeah, you remember that story? The name of the sheep is Lola. And she has beautiful wool, but she had to get her wool cut. And she was so sad. But later on in the story, she became very happy and she felt that, it's okay to be different. She doesn't really need a shiny, beautiful wool because she was happy being herself. Yeah. All right, guys, are you ready to learn the new vocabulary words? Okay, here we go. The first word I'm going to teach you is brushing. Brushing. Can we say it 3 times? Brushing, brushing, brushing. Yeah, brushing. Do you know how to brush your hair? You do? Yeah, I know how to brush my hair. Look, I got a brush. Do you see it? Yeah, this is my brush. I'm brushing my hair. I'm making myself look pretty. Brushing, brushing, brushing. Yeah, brush. Okay, the next vocabulary word is messy. Messy, messy, messy. Yeah, messy. Oh, your room, is it messy? No, it's not messy? Great job. Yeah, you don't want your room to be very messy. Oh, it will smell disgusting. Pu. It's gonna be with lots of toys everywhere. It will get very dirty and it would not look good at all. Yeah, messy. Okay, the next vocabulary word is wool. Yeah, like Lola's hair on her body. Yeah, that is sheep wool. Can you say wool 3 times? Wool, wool, wool. Yes, wool is sheep hair. Yes, it's very thick. It's white. And you can wear wool to keep you nice and warm in the winter time. Yeah, that is wool. One more time, wool. Great job. Okay, the next word is chick. A chick is a little chicken. Yeah, it's a baby chicken. You call it a chick. Let's say it 3 times. Chick, chick, chick. Yeah, chicks are so cute. They're so small. You can play with them and they make a sound. Chip, 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 chip. Yeah, chick. Do you like chicks? Yeah, I like chicks. Chick, chick, chick. Okay, our next word will be is haircut. Do you like to get a haircut? I do. You can go to a barber shop and they can cut your hair. Can we say haircut 3 times? Here we go. Haircut, haircut, haircut. Yeah, at a barber shop, they will cut your hair with scissors. Yeah, Teacher Shane needs a haircut. Yeah, a barber is a person who will use its scissors to give you a haircut. Yes, haircut. Great job, everyone. We learned some new vocabulary words. Yeah. Yes, We are getting smarter every time when we learn some new vocabularies. Great job, everyone. Excellent. Oh, I feel so happy for you, okay? Now you can share your new vocabularies with your mommy and daddy. Yeah, tell them about the vocabularies that you have learned, okay? All right, bye-bye. I'll see you later. Ooh.